What is going on, Pyros? We're coming back at you with the Weasels from the Smoking Alien brand. Got this from Intergalactic Fireworks. Weasels. Look at that little guy. 200 grammars. 16 shots. There's your performance. Oh my god. So, purple, green star with white strobe. Orange, blue star with gold strobe. Gold willow with purple lemon star with gold strobe. Gold willow with blue lemon star with white strobe. Man, you almost need a magnifying glass for that thing right there. But there you go. They got a different weasel on every side. Which one's your favorite? So, let's look inside. There you go. 16 shots. Again, this is the Weasels from Smoking Alien brand. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments down below. We'll see you in a couple seconds.
I love fireworks. Stop leaning in. Stop leaning on that. But did you hear they are going to do it?